Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I have another Disneyland video for you guys. I went back to Disneyland California Adventure a few weeks back and this is what I did and ate there. Anyways, here's some airplane footage. I was lucky enough to get a window seat, got McDonald's at the airport, and watched Venom on the flight. Also, I'm sad that I missed the Lunar New Year Food Festival at DCA by like 3 days, but hopefully I can be back to experience it one year. Made it to downtown Disney. We just walked around at night. We didn't go inside the actual park, but we did do some shopping at World of Disney. I got a lot of pins to do some pin trading, so you'll be seeing a few shorts of me unboxing my pins in the next coming days and weeks. If you want a pin collection video, let me know in the comments down below. And these are all the window displays at World of Disney, which is in downtown Disney, a large store to buy all things Disney. But the window displays were so cute and pretty for 2022 and just advertising what they carry in store. And it is the next day. We got to the park before it opened so we could be one of the first on the new Spider-Man ride, but the line was already so long. We waited about 45 minutes, but it can usually be up to 65 to 95 minute wait, which is crazy. No spoilers, but the ride is definitely an arm workout. After the ride, we stuck around Avengers campus to watch the Spider-Man show.
Wow, this is a friendly neighborhood. Welcome to Avengers campus. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Well, you know, just spider stuff. Okay, time to run some tests.
Spider-Man,
Oh, hey, Sharon.
should we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my... Okay, no pressure, but there are a lot of people watching. Clear the runway. Spider-Man is cleared for
The animatronics were so cool. He literally flew so high. So cool. But after this show, we went to go grab some late breakfast at Award Wieners. This is the Lava Dog, which is an all-beef hot dog with pulled pork and a pineapple chutney concoction on top. And also the Uptown Chili Dog, which is an all-beef hot dog with chili, pepper jack cheese, and Fritos on top. Obviously, I also got these chocolate marshmallow funnel cake fries, which were a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend if you ever come to DCA. After our late breakfast, early lunch, we went on the Grizzly River run. Everyone was wearing ponchos for a good reason. You actually do get wet on this ride that I didn't know about, but I still had fun regardless. After that, we went on probably my all-time favorite ride, the Incredicoaster. It is so fun, and we went on this 3 times this day, so 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And then we walked around a bit and saw Minnie and Mickey in the main square circle area before we headed to Cars Land to get some actual lunch. This is the bacon mac and cheese cone at Crazy Cone, and I also got the chocolate peanut butter cheesecake churros, but this was a 3 out of 10 for me. I do not recommend. Next, we went to Pixar Pier again because the line for the Cars ride was so long, so we decided to do the Toy Story Mania ride, and it's also very fun. After this ride, we went back to Avengers campus to catch an early dinner at Pim's Kitchen, and we caught this action scene with Black Widow and Taskmaster. So cool, and there's always so many cool things happening at Avengers campus because it is still pretty new. This is the Honey Fusion alcoholic beverage from the Pim Tasting Lab. It comes with a honey straw and it was pretty good. And these 2 items are the Pimini sandwich and the subatomic chicken sandwich from the Pim Test Kitchen. These 2 places were right next to each other, so it was pretty easy to order from. And here's just some nighttime footage at Disneyland California Adventure. It's so pretty at night, such a mood, such a vibe, and I love it so much. Disney really is one of the most magical places on earth. Not sponsored, but I wish I was sponsored by Disney. And we're ending the day on my very, very least favorite ride. It is the Ferris wheel in the middle of the park, and it just, no, it's a no for me, but I'm on it anyways. I hope you enjoy my screaming and crying on this ride. And there you have it. That's what I did and what I ate at Disneyland California Adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!